a strange fireball appeared over the Pacific Ocean, moving with impossible speed. It traveled across the sky faster than any aircraft known to science. But then, it changed direction instantly, as if something intelligent was controlling it. Radar analysis showed movements that no missile, drone, or satellite can perform. Scientists who reviewed the footage said the object behaved as if it wasn't bound by our physics. So what was it? A secret military prototype? A rare atmospheric phenomenon? Or something far more mysterious? Many believe this object could be part of a series of unexplained sightings happening around the world. The truth remains hidden. Follow Planet Secrets for the full investigation.